I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so I can reach more people. So I've heard this a few times lately where manifesting people are trying to say that your thoughts don't create, that your beliefs or assumptions do. So in this video, I'll explain that and help you to understand manifesting and make it easy for yourself. So what's a belief? A belief is just a thought you keep thinking, and then from that, you'd get a result, and it would further make you believe that initial thought or assumption was true. If I keep thinking everyone is mean to me, then get a result of that, I'd think again, everyone is mean to me, and in time, it becomes a belief. But what is really happening here is at the core you are focusing on something and thinking you will have it or that it will happen, and then it does. What manifests things is focusing on a desire and seeing yourself as having it or will have it, the having of it. It's doing the 3 steps that manifest anything, and then because you did those steps, believing and assuming that your desire will happen. So continuing to think something will happen, which is persisting in your desire and seeing yourself as having it, then you are at the same time believing you will have it, and at the same time assuming you will have it. So to make it clear, use your thoughts to believe and assume that you will get your desire, and that it will happen. It's where your power is. Your thoughts are where your power is because they help you to decide what you want, say what you want, and see yourself as having it or will have it. And know, and then convince yourself that your desire will happen and you will have it. Your thoughts are what you can use to choose the desire you want to have next. Since everything already exists and all your desires already exist, you are just choosing what you want with your thoughts. Or you can do it that way and make manifesting easy for yourself. So think of it this way. Your thoughts allow you to choose what you want to have. I want to have a boyfriend or girlfriend. I want to have free money. I want to have a new job. You can then use your thoughts like a command that says, when I do the 3 steps, that means I will have my desire and it will happen. Because I said I want it. I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want in the thing you want. And if you're new here, check out my video called Manifest Anything in 3 Steps. And 3 steps to manifest anything. Manifest a specific person or a new car. Then you will see how you can learn to manifest in 3 steps. So when you think that, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want in the thing you want. This is using your thoughts to assume you will get your desire and that will happen. And by thinking and assuming, yes, I'll get my desire and that it will happen, then internally you are living in that state of the wish fulfilled, or living in the state of having it. Feeling like you have it or will have it, that it will happen, is living in the end, living in the feeling of the wish fulfilled, living in the state of the wish fulfilled. It's all of that. So you are using your thoughts to assume your desire will happen. You are using your thoughts to convince yourself that it will happen and that you will have it. To convince myself, I use a wanted story. A wanted story helps me to say a desire I want and focus on having it. Me with it, doing it, next to me or given to me. If I can't see or visualize anything, a wanted story makes me know and assume by saying my wanted story that my desire will then happen because I said my wanted story. And in my wanted story, it says I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. And it happens means it will happen. Means I'll have it. And I've convinced myself I'll have it. And that is the core of what manifests something. If you can decide what you want, say what you want, and know by doing so that it will happen, and you will have it, then that is a pure manifestation, and you have mastered how to manifest. If you can do that, then have no bad thoughts or opposing thoughts after, just silence and empty space, then it can happen fast and easy. and things get arranged for you, and you get internally led to it or it to you. That's how easy manifesting can be. But for most desires, there's thoughts after the 3 steps that say, it can't happen. Where is it? It's not here. It didn't happen yet. I don't know how it would happen. This happened in the past. It probably will again. These thoughts are not thoughts of have it, will have it, and these thoughts are the problem. So don't get confused. Your thoughts are important. Your thoughts are the way you focus on your desire and choose it, and assume you will have it and that it will happen. I think what they are really trying to say is that not every thought manifests, right? That you have millions of thoughts a day, so all those thoughts don't manifest things. But they can manifest if you feel you have it or will have it. And if you end up focusing on it and feeling you have it or will have it, then it would manifest. Think of it this way. Yes, you have tons of thoughts that come to you all day. And no, those thoughts don't all end up manifesting. But see how those thoughts come to you, come to your mind, flow by or drop in, there and gone. But when you want to consciously manifest something and do it on purpose and manifest your desires, see it more as going out of you, from your words and thoughts outward. And then it finds a physical representation of that desire and it shows up, it comes to you and happens. Thoughts can come to me all day, sure, but I know what I'm manifesting that will show up and happen because I did the 3 steps and used my dominant thought to choose what specific desire I want to have and have happen next. Saying that dominant thought, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want the thing you want. While at the same time focused on what it is and seeing yourself as having it. Flashes of you with it. Or if you can't see anything, you know it will happen because you said you want it. And you assume, by saying that dominant thought plus what you want, that your desire will happen. By believing, saying that dominant thought plus what you want will manifest it, then you are assuming your desire will happen and you'll have it. So do your thoughts create? You aren't actually creating anything, since everything already exists. So you are just choosing it. And so does your thoughts allow you to choose what you want? Yes, it can, by using that dominant thought that helps you to choose what you want. And know, by saying that dominant thought, that you will have it, and it will happen, and that it will manifest. So do your thoughts create? It's what your thoughts make you see, and picture, and feel, and know behind the thoughts and words that manifest it. Do your thoughts create? It's what your thoughts cause you to think and feel will happen, and that you will have. Convincing yourself it will happen and you'll have it is the same as assuming it will happen and that you'll have it. And you convince yourself by saying to yourself, if I do the 3 steps, I'll get my desire and it will happen. So understand the 3 steps and master them. By doing the 3 steps, you are automatically doing all the things you need, and automatically doing all the things that they are trying to explain in all the manifesting videos, like assuming it, believing it, living in the end, living in the state of the wish fulfilled, feeling the feeling of the wish fulfilled. What every technique is trying to have you accomplish at the core. It always leads back to the 3 steps and mastering them. I've seen instant manifestation happen this way. I've seen things manifest and show up when it appeared that there was no way that it could. I've seen people shift and change right before me. I've seen and witnessed the world around me feeling like a dreamland because I got to that higher level of consciousness where things happen like magic. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.